Passive income. Two words that attract and repel at the same time. They attract because they sound like a dream, money coming in while you sleep. They repel because most people are convinced it's not for them. Too complicated. Need capital. Need connections. Need something special they don't have. Kevin thought the same, until he figured out how it actually works. Today he's going to break down one major myth about passive income that stops most people, and show 3 real ways to get started. No get-rich-quick schemes, no promises of easy money, just what actually works. Stay until the end. The third method is the one most people underestimate, and they shouldn't. Here's the myth that needs to be destroyed right now. Passive income is money that comes on its own. No effort. Press a button and collect. That's not true. And it's exactly this lie that either disappoints people when they face reality or pushes them toward shady schemes that promise exactly that. The truth sounds different. Passive income is income that keeps coming in after the main work is already done. The key word is after. In the beginning, there is work, sometimes a lot of work, but then it decreases and the income stays. It's like planting a tree. First you dig a hole, water it, tend to it. A few years later, the tree bears fruit on its own. Nobody calls apples passive fruit, but the principle is exactly that. Kevin calls it shifted income. You work now, you get paid later. Again and again, from the same work. Understanding this principle changes everything. Because the question stops being, how do I get money without effort, and becomes, what work am I willing to do once so it generates income many times over? Method number 1, and the most accessible because it requires neither starting capital nor special knowledge, just honesty and an audience, even a small one. An affiliate program works simply. You recommend someone else's product or service, a person buys through your link, you receive a commission. That's it. The key word here is recommend. Not sell, not push. Recommend what you use yourself and genuinely believe in. That's exactly what separates honest affiliate marketing from the spam that floods the internet. Kevin started small. He was already talking about books and tools that helped him with finances. He simply added affiliate links where he was already sharing those recommendations. No extra work, just monetizing what he was already doing. Commissions in affiliate programs range from 3 to 50% depending on the product. Digital products, courses, software, subscriptions usually pay more. Physical goods, less. The main condition? Only recommend what you're confident in. One bad recommendation costs more than all the commissions it brought in. Your reputation is your main asset. Where to start right now? Think. What products or services do you use and genuinely recommend to friends? Check if they have an affiliate program. Most major platforms do. Sign up, get your link, start sharing where you already communicate. Method number 2. Create once, sell forever. A digital product is any material that exists in electronic form and can be sold an unlimited number of times without additional production costs. An ebook, a template, a checklist, an online course, a photo, a music track, an Excel spreadsheet. You spend time once on creation, and then that product sells again and again, while you're doing other things, while you sleep, while you're on vacation. The main question that stops most people: what can I create? I don't have anything special. That's the same myth in a different package. Every person has knowledge or skills that are valuable to others. You don't need to be a world-class expert. It's enough to know a little more than someone who is just starting out. You know how to make a budget. Create a template. You understand photography. Sell presets. You know how to negotiate a salary. Write a guide. You can cook a particular cuisine. Create a recipe collection. Kevin started with a simple Excel financial template, that same one-page budget he talked about in video 6. He formatted it, added instructions, and listed it on a digital products platform. It took one weekend. The barrier to entry is minimal. Platforms for selling digital products require no technical knowledge. The main thing? Start with what you already know. Quick pause. 2 methods down, and if even one of them made you think, I could actually do that, hit that like button right now. It helps this video reach the people who need it. And a question for the comments. Which of the methods seems most realistic for you to start with? Write it down. Kevin reads every answer. If you're new here, subscribe. Every week, one financial idea that actually changes life. The third method is next, and it's the one Kevin considers the most underestimated. Let's keep going. Method number 3. The one most people underestimate, or fear because of the wrong associations, dividends. These are payments that companies make to their shareholders, meaning people who own their stock. You buy a share, you become a co-owner of the company. The company earns, it shares part of the profit with shareholders. That's dividends. But Kevin is not talking about playing the stock market, not about picking stocks. Remember video 8 about index funds? This is where it all connects. An index fund that tracks the broad market contains shares of hundreds of companies. Many of them pay dividends. When you own a share in such a fund, you automatically receive a portion of those dividends. Without picking stocks. Without analyzing the market. Simply, you own the fund, you receive payments. In the early stages, the amounts are small. But here the same compound interest principle works that was discussed in video 8. Dividends get reinvested. They buy new shares, which bring new dividends. Over time, this mechanism gains momentum. Kevin doesn't give financial advice, he shares what he has studied. Before any decision, it's worth consulting a specialist. But the basic principle is simple. Regular small investments in the broad market is one of the most proven ways to build passive income over a long horizon. It's not fast, but it works. 3 methods covered. Now the main question. Where do you start? Kevin offers a simple filter of 3 questions. First question. Do you have an audience, even a small one? Friends, followers, colleagues who trust your opinion? If yes, affiliate programs are your first step. 0 investment, fast start. Second question. Do you have knowledge or skills that are valuable to others? You don't need to be a world-class expert. It's enough to know a little more than someone who is just beginning. If yes, a digital product is your path. 1 weekend, and the product is ready to sell. Third question. Do you have even a small amount you're willing to invest long-term and not touch? Even $20 a month. If yes, add dividend reinvestment to your regular investments. This will happen almost automatically if you're already following the principles from video 8. One important note. You don't have to choose just one method. Kevin uses all 3, at different stages and in different amounts. But he started with one, mastered it, added the second, then the third. Your first source of passive income won't replace your salary tomorrow. But it will change something important, your psychology. You'll stop being only a consumer of money and start becoming a producer of it. Let's recap. Passive income is not money without effort. It's income that keeps coming in after the work is already done. Shifted income. Once, many times over. 3 real ways to start. Affiliate programs. Recommend what you use yourself, earn a commission. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Dividends through index funds. Invest regularly, let compound interest do its work. Whichever method you choose, start today. 1 small step. Sign up for 1 affiliate program. Sketch out a plan for a digital product. Set up an automatic transfer to an investment account. 1 step. If this video was useful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks passive income isn't for them. You might change their mind. And write in the comments, which of the 3 methods are you planning to start with? Or if you've already started, share your experience. Kevin reads every comment. Next week, Kevin is tackling a topic most people face: how to stop living paycheck to paycheck. Not generic advice to spend less, a concrete plan for people whose money runs out before the month does. See you there. Kevin, out.